Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the complete first time setup of the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. This process is also identical for the Galaxy A36. So if you have either of these, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First, power on your phone by holding the side button. You will see the Samsung logo, followed by the welcome screen. Now, select your language. Tap the drop down for a wide range of options, including many Indian languages. I will be using English India for this tutorial. Tap OK and then Start. For your review, you will see End User License Agreement and Privacy Policy. They are mandatory. Diagnostic data collection is optional. Tap Agree to continue. Samsung offers an easy setup option using another device. We will choose Setup manually for a straightforward process. Let us connect to Wi-Fi. Select your network and enter the password, or use the convenient QR code scanner. For mobile network, you can transfer an eSIM or add a new one via QR code. I am using physical SIMs, so I will tap Setup later in Settings. The phone will now prepare itself. This might take a few moments. Next, you will see Copy Apps and Data screen. If you are switching from another Android or iPhone, you can transfer your data here. For this tutorial, I will select Don't Copy. Time to log into your Google account. This is crucial for downloading apps from the Play Store and using Google services. You can skip it, but I recommend logging in. For this demonstration, I will skip and confirm. Now, secure your phone. You can use face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, PIN or password. I will skip this for now, but I strongly advise setting up security later. Review the Google services, uncheck anything you're not comfortable with and tap OK. Choose your preferred search engine. Tap Next. There are several options, but I will stick with Google. Tap Next. You can add your Samsung account here. If you have one, log in. If not, or if you want to skip, tap Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account and then Set up later in Settings. You will see an explanation of why you might want a Samsung account. Tap Skip if you want to proceed without it. Review the Samsung service legal information. The terms and conditions are mandatory. The rest are optional. Select what you are comfortable with and tap Agree. Next, manage Samsung service permissions. Opt out or keep them based on your preference and tap Agree. Choose your display mode, light or dark. I will keep it light and tap Next. You will see recommended apps like Smart Tutor. Select or deselect as needed and tap Next. You're all set. Tap Home. You will be prompted to experience Samsung services. Tap Agree and select your language to install Samsung curated apps. You can skip this by tapping the X and then Later in the top right corner. Then exit Tap Setup. Yes. You will see your home screen. Check the notification area to finish any skipped steps and allow background apps updates and installation to complete. And that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy A56 or A36 is now fully set up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.